We're going to be talking about the government shutdown and the economic damage that it is starting to cause. So we're almost a month into this now, and things are starting to pile up. And here to talk about that, Vince Molinoy, the co-founder of Templum, also Craig Kaufman, a senior managing director of WestPark Capital.
Hey, Jane.
Welcome. So, Vince, just your overall view of what's not happening from a capital market standpoint because of the government shutdown.
Pretty much a lot, right?
Basically, nothing's happening,
Nothing.
right?
Well, you know, and it's really difficult. I think if you frame it from the standpoint that the SEC, who needs to approve many of these items, on a good day has bandwidth constraints and is challenged to get all the things that they have done. So I think the rough number is 4,500, 4,600 employees at the SEC. In the furlough, they have 300. So you can imagine things are at a screeching halt, and it's only emergency actions or something egregious in investor protection that's being dealt with right now.
So, Craig, you just recently took a company public here at the NASDAQ.
That's correct.
So, how did you get that done?
We were able to declare it effective before the shutdown, so we got very, very lucky. We are in other transactions where we're trying to figure out what to do next as we move towards pricings, and the SEC has to approve that, and there's no one to approve it. So I think, as Vince was saying earlier, that this is disproportionately affecting small companies that rely on the capital markets to fund their operations. A large company could wait.
You're right.
And have the cash flow to do what they need to do. These smaller companies are really in a bind, and
They don't have as much runway as these big companies do. What about the long-term damage? I mean, do you think that this will change the psyche of people that are looking to go public? Because we've had government shutdowns. Well, we had one last year.
Yeah.
They're kind of becoming common.
I think you have a couple of challenges, and I think the biggest challenge is nobody can really tell you how long this is going to go on. So I think you're missing pricing windows. In the public IPO process, numbers are going to go stale. And then you get into the cycle, you could be a quarter or two before you're getting into the point of jump starting, and then you hit the summer season.